风景
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and here comes Una Ho, He Yun Na, with a song called Gong Gong. And she's referring to how love is blind. You see, stereotypes of Hakka women would suggest that they are thrifty and good at housekeeping, but she wants to encourage these women to break free from tradition and find their own happiness. Let's take a listen.
拄到經嘅愛的都想嘅表現，注重嘅數嘅動嘢，韓國發現放你打發幾多年那黑以前做出很多嘞，愛糖果嘅創業，佢講你相愛，做一隻人呢，對唔會想怪人，唔想戇戇的。懵懵地飛行轉移，愛唔講你做嘅愛做愛唔在意，因為愛的你愛的變唔下過去，感情永會不易，笑面叫自無也無意，唔講你做嘅愛做愛唔在意，因為愛的你愛的變唔下過去，愛出一生意，唔會錯把戲。被糖果嘅春夜，佢講你相愛，做一隻人呢，愛唔會想怪人，唔想戇戇地，戇戇地飛心轉移。做愛唔在意，因為愛的你愛的變唔下過去，感情永會不易，笑面叫自無也無意，唔講你做你愛做愛唔在意，因為愛的你愛的變唔下過去，愛出一生意，唔會錯把戲。
这首歌呢是何云娜的《公公》，里面在描述客家女性因为受传统观念的影响常常面对一些事情都要默默的接受，然后继续去服侍家内事。而何云娜呢，心疼这些客家女性，想要告诉她们要来挣脱这些传统的枷锁，为自己谋得幸福。There you go, another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and we will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.